As a DB2 zOS DBA, you probably want to keep track of your database objects to identify when they need to be reorganized, have copies made of them, or have run stats run against those. And Toad for DB2 with zOS can help you do that. Toad for DB2 for zOS is an RTS, or real-time statistics analyzer feature to it, and I'll demonstrate that now. I'm connected to a DB2 zOS subsystem, and I've selected databases, and I'm going to select several of those, right-click and say Real-Time Statistics Advisor. And this will bring up the Real-Time Statistics Advisor tab, and inside of it, there's sub-tabs. The first tab is an Rds Summary that will show the objects that might need to be reorganized, have copies made, or have stale statistics. So this is the summary screen, and it's actually going to list table spaces and index spaces. And what I like to do is actually group by the type, and then you could see individually, you could see your index spaces, and then you could see the table spaces as well. And the ones with stop signs are the ones that we're recommending have actions taken, such as be reorganized, or have run stats run, or have copies run as well. The next tab is the Tablespace Metrics tab, and this gets into more details in a granular way, where this first tab here shows you identifies the table spaces that might need to be reorganized. This tab here shows you the table spaces that might need to have image copies taken, and this tab here will show you the table spaces with stale run stats that might need run stats run. On any of these reports, you could right click and you could say show exceptions only, and that's only going to show you the ones that are highlighted, the ones that we've identified that might have stale statistics on this tab, might need to have copies taken because the last image copies were very old, or might need to be reorganized because a lot of the data in that table space has been updated recently. And the same thing applies to the indexes tab. The indexes tab will show you indexes that might need to be reorganized, copied, or have stale statistics. And again, you could toggle to show only the exceptions. And any of these, you could very easily select the objects in question, right-click, and then invoke the utility to take the corrective action. So if you wanted to create image copies, you could do that. Create reorgs, you could do that. And create run stats, you could do that. So this is a very easy, quick way to identify objects that might need some maintenance from you. And we actually are flagging things with built-in thresholds that can be modified. So if you go to Tools, Options, zOS, RTS thresholds, and that's runtime statistics thresholds, you could customize the thresholds and the values that we're actually going to use to flag with stop signs and or highlight those objects in those reports. So that is the real-time statistics analysis feature inside of Toad for DB2 and zOS.